Look at this, how big it is. Look at the meat.
Oh. Hello guys! Vyra is craving for burger today. Our mukbang for today is giant burger.
This is Invader Burger.
Yeah,
That's how big it is. Like,
this is a Invader Burger of Top Gun. So, i-leave lang naman sa description box guys kung nasa ang Top Gun here. So, diri lang siya near sa among area. So,
look at this, how big it is.
yeah.
Whoa! I don't know how we're gonna finish this one.
Yeah, it's triple
patty. Yeah,
triple patty with bacon.
Bacon. It's beef bacon.
Beef bacon, and then
With overloaded cheese. Oh my god!
oh yeah, woo, with tomato.
There's
Lettuce, onions, and a lot of cheese.
melting cheese. Look at that, guys. Melting.
Let's start food trip.
Woo! I don't know how we're gonna eat this one. Like,
So okay. Oops.
oh my god. So juicy.
Hindi magkasya sa mga ako ang ano ang triple patty burger. Half lang.
Look at the meat.
Oh. Ano yung mga juices.
Maybe we can finish this one because we're hungry. We don't have breakfast.
You have no breakfast, so this is brunch, lunch and breakfast.
Look at that patty.
Grabe ang ano guys. Ang cheese overloaded. Bigger than the McDo Angus beef.
Half lang niya siya sa ano.
Half lang siya sa
Ano?
huh?
Not even half. This is 1/4. Look at that meat. Oh my god. So good. Real burger. This is a real burger.
Wow. So good. Tissue.
Spicy.
Spicy. Overloaded spicy.
Wow. It's so good. Look at this. Yum.
Overloaded. Patty. So matagal na si Vyra nagka-crave ng this burger guys. So na-search namin sa Google. So within the area lang. So this is one of the top one of the famous burger in the area. So yun, tinry namin. So last time napaka-safe COVID lockdown. So
Now we're in the second phase.
second phase na. So pwede siya mag-walk-in or order. Tapos ano lang kunin lang yung yung order mo sa sa mga stores. So walang dine-in. So puro dine-out yung mga restaurant and ito burger.
Oh, I eat half of it.
Ako wala pa. 1/4 pa lang.
We're here in the park.
Yeah, we're in the Milkin Park. Milkin ba? Yeah, we're in Milton Park, so it's just 15 minutes drive from our condo. So,
Oh my god.
Plus
I
this,
can't believe we finished this one.
yeah. Pero sobrang sarap niya, guys.
Yeah.
Yung kailangan ng ginger ale. So yung patty niya malasapan mo yung grilled ng yung patty, smoke patty, tapos juicy siya. So maganda ang pagka. So the name of the burger is Top Gun Burger. So yung name ng burger na to is Invader. So yeah. Parang same sa Davao na na burger na yun, nalimutan ko yung burger na sikat din. So yung kinakain namin dun yung Pacman na burger. Oh, so ngayon guys medyo windy. Pero siya, mainit, windy, medyo lang, malamig, so okay siya.
Perfect weather.
Perfect. Grabe si Byra, kapit na maubos.
Yeah.
Akin no? Parang half pa lang.
Challenge.
This is a burger challenge. Pero usually guys, si Byra ang nakakaubos ng madaming burger. Siya yung mas love niya yung burgers. Pero ako more on love ko yung mga yung mga luto niya na Filipino yung Filipino food. Sarap. Sana maubos ko to. Sobrang laki. Parang siya 1 pound na burger, 1 pound.
More.
More, wow? More than 1 pound, no? No. 2 pound. So yung pasip parang 1 pound pasip. Sabi overloaded. Sarap.
So I think I cannot finish this one. I'm already full. So guys, don't forget to like our channel,
Yeah.
Virus Food and Travel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe for like easy baking and cooking.
Sa video, sa vlog ni Byra, it's more like meron siyang baking, cooking. So then part of the vlog also is yung
Mukbang.
food trip, mukbang.
Food trip, yeah. Trying a new food in the town.
So kasi si Byra mahilig parang si Dora. Gusto niya mag road trip, travel.
So I cannot finish this. So that's it. I'm done. Oh, one more bite.
Grabe.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good. Pero
Sobrang laki.
sobrang laki. Kala ko maubos ko, hindi pala. So guys, thank you for watching on our vlog, Virus Food and Travel. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.